Good morning. This is a recording for Friday, February 16th. Today I'm going to read another essay for you from the book of Awakening by Mark Nepo, and then we're going to do a short meditative reflection around it as always. Today's essay is titled Birds and Ornithologists. Birds and Ornithologists. Birds don't need ornithologists to fly. We spend so much time wanting to be seen and named as intelligent or good or handsome or pretty or successful or popular or as nobody's fool. Yet the spirit does not know it's being spiritual any more than water rushing knows it's a stream. And the heart doesn't know it's expanding with compassion any more than a hawk, spreading its wings, knows it's being a hawk. Nor does someone acting out of love often realize they're being kind. From an early age, we are taught that to live fully is to be accepted, and to be accepted, we need to be seen. So we base success and even love on the effort to be seen, on how much we stand out. However, the often painful truth we discover along the way is that to survive in an inner way that matters, that keeps us connected to all that has ever lived and is living, we sorely need to know how to be accepting. By this I don't mean being passive. By this I mean inhabiting our capacity to see and affirm the common pulse of life we find in others, no matter how different they may seem from us. When we do this, we no longer need to be different to be valued, and no longer need to be accepted to know love. In short, we no longer need an audience to fly. We simply have to extend our sincerity to each abiding day, and we will be in accord with all that is valuable. Like flowers waiting on rain, our hearts wait on love. As much as we want to be seen and known, it is the giving of attention that keeps us awake. For giving attention opens us to love, and accepting that deep things wait like seed between us is believing in the world. So wake me by accepting me, and the world will sprout us like grass. Wow, what an amazing sentiment. I really like this. So let's do a short reflection around this. As always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, into your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. As always, your breath nice and soft, completely natural. See if you can get a sense of spaciousness in your breathing, a sense of freedom, allowing all the experiences of the present moment, physical sensations, thoughts, emotions, to flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Feel the air as you breathe. On the in-breath, open yourself to what it feels like to get attention. On the out-breath, open yourself to what it feels like to give attention. And continue like this for the next few rounds of breath. Inhaling, open yourself to what it feels like to get attention. Exhaling, open yourself to what it feels like to give attention. Continue breathing in the spacious, free, natural way, and gradually allow yourself to feel how the two merge, the in-breath and the out-breath, the feeling of getting attention, the feeling of giving attention, in and out, get and give, in and out, get and give. And as the two feelings merge, consider what it means to you to be fully awake. Now place your hands on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. And as you gently let go of your practice, as always, scan your body. Notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. How it feels to give attention, how it feels to get attention, how it feels when the two merge, when you're fully awake. Enjoy your discoveries as always. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.